Another Lederhosen Salesforce tutorial. This is on linking Twitter, YouTube, the internet, right? Partially it's through Einstein Analytics. Now that you've linked your emails into Salesforce to contacts, leads, and Service Cloud. Let me show you the complicated version first. This is the complicated version. So one of the things here is you can do social. You look it up, social. There's a lot to social actually. Go back, social accounts, social, watch what happens. Social accounts and contact. And then here, this is what I have in my org, right? So the key there is on a lead or a contact or in Service Cloud, when something comes in, it looks it up. I'll show you how it renders. You can enable Twitter. Salesforce will follow these Twitter accounts, right? And also you can enable on YouTube and in higher versions of Salesforce, such as Enterprise, you'll be able to link Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. It's an extra add-on. Let me show you the more complicated version. This is a complicated version, meaning here, this is social accounts, right? Same sort of thing as you see before. Then there's social business rules, which you need to set up. And then when you turn this on, you have to have what social accounts, like your corporate Twitter account, your corporate Facebook account. Got to think about this, your friendly customer service to enable social customer service. So when a tweet says your product is great, fantastic, or when it sucks, immediately creates a case, or have a filter, right? Inbound settings is where you do the filtering, and then an error log, enable approvals for social posts, meaning, hey, we're a great company, we certainly want your business, that kind of a thing. And that's how you manage that from here. And that helps your Service Cloud. And let me show you how it looks. So right here, I interviewed with a company called Sequoia, and it all goes through, but here in Lightning is where you find it. And because I had the right email website here, all this starts chattering. Here, I'm already linked my email. I'm gonna visit Sequoia Kings, no. Mark Twain, Sequoia Services. I need to look at helping businesses do the right for personal information in Australia. No, none of these are right. So let me do another example. Let me go back one. Let me find the next one, the past one. Lumino. Fantastic. Here, interesting. So here, show more. Who else? It mentions Salesforce in here, and this is Illumino, and this is how I can link it. See, it's a one-to-one association, so it'll track at Illumino and anything that happens here. This is a very powerful tool, and all of a sudden we're here on Twitter, and that is how it works. Again, very simple. Social connect, enable Twitter, enable YouTube. You have to have corporate accounts there. Enable social customer service. This is the more complicated one for Service Cloud. And then here's the example of how everything is tracked. And when you look on details, look at this. It starts really chattering on everything to deal with this and to deal with this. Thank you so much. Have a great day.